Hey y'all, so today we are making some good old Southern style savory green beans. That's right. Now, if you country like me, I say string beans. That's all. Just string beans. Okay? So, anywho, in the pot I have, starting with the boil, is some neck bones, the smoked meat, neck bones, and not pigtails, Lord Jesus, ham knuckles. That's right. So I boiled that a little while just to get the flavors flowing and get it all good in the water. So, it can be all good and savory and flavorful. So I did that. Now I'm adding in my green beans, and it's just a regular one of those big cans of green beans. Nothing fancy. You can use whatever kind of green beans you want. You can use frozen. You can use fresh. Whatever. It's what you want to do. So now I'm seasoning I keep wanting to say string beans, y'all. Let me just say string beans, please. I'm seasoning my string beans with some accent seasoning salt, black pepper. Now you can go ahead and season it with whatever you would like, but today this is how we doing it, okay? And I also have other little ingredients that I'm going to add to it as well, like the grease. Yes, I add in grease, y'all. Well, I say grease. It's oil. So today I'm being fancy and using extra virgin olive oil. But usually, look, the same grease I fry my chicken in, I go ahead on and get one of them big serving spoons and put that up on in there. So I ain't even gonna lie. But today I just used that because that was the first thing I had in my reach. Yep. So I also add in like maybe 2 capfuls of the vinegar. Now I like white distilled vinegar, not apple cider. That's just my preference. After the vinegar, we're going to hit it with a little brown sugar. Maybe like a teaspoon and a half, maybe a tablespoon. That's all you need because you don't want to make your string beans sweet. That's not what we're trying to do, okay? So that's all we add up in there. We stir it around and we just sit it and forget it. Let her go on her own for maybe about 30 minutes or so. And I'm going to show y'all what she looking like at the end, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is how she looks after it's been simmering, marinating in that juice for a while. So this is how I like mine, not overran with too much water, juice, gravy, pot liquor, whatever you want to call it. So I encourage you guys, please try this recipe. If not, tell me how you do your string beans, okay? But this is how she looks. It tastes very, very good over some rice. Yes, try it. You may like it. But anyway, that's all for this video. I will see y'all in the next video. And remember to stay blessed, drink plenty of water, and mind your own business. Love y'all. See you later. Bye-bye.